Are you frustrated because your unit tests have suddenly disappeared from Visual Studio 2015? You're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle this issue and help you get your tests back on track. I completely understand how annoying it is when you've put in the effort to write test cases, only to find them missing when you need them the most. This is a common problem many developers face, and it can be quite perplexing. Let's dive into the specific situation. One user recently reported that after developing a few test cases in their C++ project, all the tests vanished from the Test Explorer. They confirmed that the test project compiles properly, but the tests just won't show up. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what could be causing this disappearance? There are several factors at play, from settings in Visual Studio to issues with the environment where your project is located. We'll break it down step by step to help you understand what's going on. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that could save you a lot of headaches in the future. First, the user should ensure that the test framework is properly configured in Visual Studio. They can do this by checking the project properties. Next, the user should verify that the test methods are correctly defined. This means ensuring that the test methods are marked with the appropriate attributes. After confirming the test methods, the user should rebuild the solution. This step is crucial as it ensures that all changes are compiled correctly. If the tests still do not appear, the user should check the output window for any messages related to test discovery. This can provide insights into what might be going wrong. Finally, if the issue persists, the user may want to consider creating a new test project. This can help determine if the problem is specific to the current project. Fun fact, did you know that the first unit tests were written in the 1970s? It's amazing how far we've come in software development, but some issues still feel like they're from the Stone Age. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from another user suggests checking your .vcxproj file. They recommend ensuring that each of your source files is included correctly. Look for lines that say CL compile include, followed by your file name. Here's the tip I promised. Regularly check your test settings and clean up temporary files. This can prevent issues from cropping up unexpectedly. And there you have it. With these steps, your unit tests should be visible again. Remember, keeping your environment clean and organized is key. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and don't miss our next video.